Now, meanwhile, the main accused in the Lakhimpur Kheri violence case, Union Minister Ajay Mishra's son Ashish Mishra, is currently arrested. He is sent to 14-day judicial custody after being grilled for more than 12 hours by the SIT on Saturday. He was arrested for non-cooperation in the probe, giving evasive answers. Let's take a listen at this detailed report.
Ashish Mishra, son of Union Minister Ajay Mishra, key accused in the Lakhimpur violence case in which 8 people were killed. After 6 days of hide and seek and skipping summons to appear on Friday, Ashish Mishra appeared before the SIT in Lakhimpur on Saturday. He was grilled for more than 12 hours by the special investigation team formed by UP government to probe Lakhimpur violence case. Mishra was arrested over charges of non-cooperation and giving evasive answers. Sources have told India Today that Ashish Mishra has failed to provide proof of his whereabouts on the day of the incident. He reportedly has no proof of his whereabouts on 3rd October between 2:36 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. when the violent clashes broke out. However, he claimed that he was at the wrestling event and not present at the spot of the violence.
पुलिस लाइन, रिजर्व पुलिस लाइन 10:27 पर आशीष मिश्रा यहां पहुंचा था। उसके साथ उनके कुछ समर्थक भी थे और साथ ही वकील थे। यहां पहुंचने के बाद 12.5 घंटे पूछताछ चली, मेडिकल टीम अंदर आई और उसके बाद उन्हें रात को यहां से निकाला गया। ठीक इस रास्ते से सीधे उन्हें जो मजिस्ट्रेट हैं उनके घर जजेस कॉलोनी में ले जाया गया। लगभग 10 मिनट की सुनवाई के बाद जब मजिस्ट्रेट ने उन्हें न्यायिक हिरासत में भेजा, सीधे आशीष मिश्रा को पुलिस यहां जिला कारागार लखीमपुर खीरी लेकर के आई और इसके बाद उन्हें जेल भेज दिया गया है।
The Neta's son was sent to 14 days judicial custody, but UP Police's plea seeking custody is going to be heard on Monday.
कुछ मिल नहीं रहा है, इसलिए उनको 3 दिन का रिमांड और चाहिए। उस पर मैंने विरोध किया कि ना 3 दिन का नहीं, 1 दिन का भी नहीं। आप हमको सुन लीजिए, फिर आप इनको 9 दिन का रिमांड दे दीजिएगा अगर आपको लगे तो। इसलिए मंडे की डेट लग गई। पूरी तरीके से कोऑपरेट किया। सत्य बात यह है कि अब तक उसके खिलाफ किसी प्रकार का कोई साक्ष्य नहीं है। वो जुटाने के लिए इनको 3 दिन और चाहिए।
MOS Home Affairs Ajay Mishra's son is charged with murder, rioting and criminal conspiracy. He's alleged to be the part of the convoy that mowed down protesting farmers on 3rd October. The news around him tightened after the UP government was pulled up by the Supreme Court. The apex court expressed its dissatisfaction over the investigation conducted so far. With Ashutosh Mishra in Lakhimpur Kheri, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now let's take a quick listen to all those political reactions pouring in on the Lakhimpur Kheri violence case.
तो ये पूरा एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी है, प्री मेडिटेटेड तरीके से एक पूरी प्लानिंग के साथ उन मासूम सिख किसानों को गाड़ी के नीचे रौंद दिया गया। तो इसको घटना मत कहिए, घटना कहकर आप ये कह रहे हैं कि इम्पल्सिव रिएक्शन था। नहीं, ये कोई इम्पल्सिव रेकलेस एक्शन नहीं था। ये पूरी प्लानिंग के साथ, तैयारी के साथ ये वाक़या किया गया।
Now, amid the tussle between the centre and the states over power crisis, Union Power Minister R.K. Singh rejected the possibility of an outage in the national capital. He said that Delhi is being supplied the required amount of electricity and it will continue to receive the same. He further added that unnecessary panic is being created in the country. The ongoing coal crisis in North India has led to a skirmish between states and the centre. Governments of Punjab, Delhi blame the centre for inadequate coal supply. Punjab Chief Minister has said that thermal plants in fact were unable to generate power at full capacity due to insufficient coal receipt. In fact, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal wrote a letter to Prime Minister Modi, raised 3 demands as well. He demanded diverting of coal supply to Dadri and Jajjar power plants, providing adequate gas supply to gas power stations. Meanwhile, Power Ministry has stated 4 reasons that were creating shortages of coal supply across various states. Union Power Minister R.K. Singh speaks to India today about the power outage issue. He says Delhi is being supplied the required amount of electricity and it will continue to receive the same. Here's more on that.